Listen, if you think noodles are boring, give me 20 seconds. Today, I'm making spicy honey butter noodles that are glossy, golden, and dangerously addictive. And yes, I'm giving you every ingredient right now because I respect your time. You need 2 tablespoons butter, 3 cloves, finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 1/2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 packet of cooked noodles. Alright, let's start. These noodles taste like your comfort food just got promoted, got a raise, and walked back into your life looking shiny. Watch this. Add 2 tablespoons butter to a hot pan and let it melt until it starts flirting with the garlic. Now add 3 cloves of garlic and let them sizzle. This is the exact moment your kitchen starts smelling like you suddenly know what you're doing. Add 1 teaspoon chili flakes. And now, the twist that makes everyone pause the video. Add 1 1/2 tablespoons honey straight into the pan. Let it bubble into a golden syrup. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce and mix until it turns shiny, sticky, and slightly dramatic, like a reality show, but edible. Now toss in your cooked noodles and coat every strand. Lift them up and look at that glossy swirl catching the light. Whoosh! If food had a red carpet moment, this would be it. Give it a taste test. That sweet heat hits you first, then the butter hugs you emotionally. And suddenly you're questioning why you ever ate plain noodles in your life. And that is your spicy honey butter noodles. Quick, addictive, and honestly too good to share. Make this once, and you'll binge it more often than you binge your favorite show.